Alright, so in this video, I'll show you how to log into your Shopify account in 2026. If you already have a store and just want to access your dashboard, this is the quickest way. Yeah, so let's go step by step. First, open your browser and go to the official website of Shopify. Make sure you are on the correct site to keep your account secure. Now on the home page, look for the login button at the top right corner and click on it. Next, enter the email address you used when creating your Shopify account. Make sure it is typed correctly. After that, enter your password. Be careful with uppercase and lowercase letters because passwords are case sensitive. Now click the login button to access your store. If your details are correct, you will be taken to your Shopify dashboard. If you forget your password, click Forgot Password and follow the instructions to reset it through your email. Sometimes Shopify may also ask for a verification code for extra security. Just check your email or authentication app and enter the code. Once you are logged in, you can manage your products, orders, payments, and store settings all from your dashboard. And that's it. Now you know how to log in to your Shopify account easily and safely. If this video helped you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple guides like this. I'll see you in the next one.